Complex Microsoft Teams room systems are a thing of the past, with D10's Microsoft certified all-in-one solution, the D7X Android. Combining all 5 components of video conferencing in a single ultra-lightweight device, the D7X can be out of the box and into a meeting in less than 30 minutes. One box, one device, one cable. Pre-loaded with both Microsoft Teams and Zoom software, simply power up, connect to your network, sign in to your Microsoft Teams Rooms license and credentials, and get ready to use D10's AI-powered advanced audio, visuals, and capacitive touch technology. It's that easy. Welcome to the ultimate Microsoft Teams meeting.